Good evening, everybody. This is going to be Stephen Sprouse, filler number 6 for the Power Stroke 3100 PSI pressure washer. First spot win spot on the main is 10 at 425. We're going to copy our list. We're going to go live. It's 928. 928. We're going to paste our list. We got 10 items in our list. We're going to roll the dice. We need a 4 or higher. It's 929. We're going to roll the dice. Got a 6. 929 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. It's 1. 10 items on our list. 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5th time, 10 items on our list. We got Tara on top, Chuck on bottom. Dice calls for a 6. It's 929 final time. Good luck, everybody. After the 6th time, 10 items on our list. Spot number 2, Danny Holland. You are the winner. Congratulations, Mr. Holland. We are done. 929. It's 929.